Welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Service. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the Kerala round 1 cutoff for private medical colleges. We will see also the impact of fee increase for most of the private medical colleges in Kerala, and we'll see very good news coming for the candidates who applied for deemed universities. There are three new entries in the deemed universities: Data Meghe College, that is in Maharashtra, and Manipal Tata, Jharkhand, and Bharat Medical College, Chennai. These are the three new entries. We will talk about the number of seat increment and the cutoff impact due to increment of the seats in the deemed university. And if you have any question, you can definitely call us to the number given on the screen. So we'll see what is the cutoff for each and every private medical college and what is the impact of the fee increase. So let's get started. uh, First of all, when we went ahead and registered all the candidates for Kerala is one of the most lucrative state coming when you come for private medical colleges, because it provides colleges in very less fee compared to any other state. Still, there are four medical colleges, and top four medical colleges didn't go with the fee increment, but rest of the colleges have increased the fee, and the fee increment announcement happened after the registration was done. So during the registration process for Kerala, because Kerala opened its registration process very initially, and the Kerala State Counseling Board received so many applications from all over India for Kerala private colleges. The most attractive point about the Kerala medical colleges is the quality of colleges is very good, as well as the budget is very less compared to any other medical in any other state. Okay, but later point of time after registration, the announcement came that the fee got increased, and for some of the medical colleges the fee increment was almost double. So we'll see how much fee got increased for which college, and what is the cutoff in terms of all India rank and SML. So let's go over it one by one. You can see for the best private medical college in Kerala, Jubilee Mission Medical College and Research Institute. The SML is 1414, and all India closing rank was above 10,000, and is 10,599. If you see in terms of marks, it would be coming around 615 to 617. So the cutoff mark for a private medical college going around 615 is more or less like a very good government college. It should, the cutoff of 615 should have been for a government college. So you can think about the quality of Jubilee Mission Medical College. And the fee was not increased for this college. Amla Medical College, they didn't increase the fee either, and they go the student up to all India rank 12182 got a seat allotment in Amla Institute of Medical Science College, and SML was 1616. Coming coming for Malankara Orthodox Medical College, this college also didn't go for fee increment, and the candidates who had all India rank 13,966 got allotment in this college. AMES Medical College, the fee was increased, and the current fee is 10 lakhs 48,000, and a student who had scored around 16,124 got seat allotment in this particular college. Puspagiri Medical College, the fee was not incremented for the particular college, and the cutoff is 14,756 all India rank, and SML 1951 1951. Believers Church Medical College, it's also good medical college, and the fee was increased for this college. So you can see the impact. The all India cutoff, means all India rank cutoff, is 19,996, and SML was 2,702. I am not going to read out all the college names because you can very easily see on the screen, and you can pause the video, you can take the screenshot, and you can use it for further reference. For PK Das Institute of Medical Science, the fee was increased by so much, and currently the fee is 22 lakhs per annum. That is huge, and you can see um, the student who had 6525 SML state merit list, they also got seat allotment in PK Das Institute Medical Science. So expectation is due to fee increment, and for some of the colleges the fee is as high as a deemed university fee. So in the second round you can see so many seats going vacant, because the candidates who got a seat allotted, they must have thought they are going for a college which has very less budget compared to any other private medical college in India. But it's not happening. After the free increment, they will definitely go for any other state like Karnataka, or there the fee is around 10 lakhs per annum for most of the private medical colleges. They may go for any other state like UP, where the fee is as same as Kerala. Depending on their location preference, they may choose our other private medical colleges. So we are expecting to have so many seat vacant for round 2 in Kerala. So anybody who doesn't have a budget problem and looking for good private medical colleges, and the marks is also not good, they have very good option. They can go over round 2 counseling for Kerala. Okay. And there are so many candidates who might be having lesser marks, and they would have got a seat in Kerala, so they can go ahead and take admission rather than trying any other trying for other college in other place. So this is about cutoff, and so already we discussed about the impact of seat increment on the cutoff. So definitely for the colleges where the fee was increased, so the cutoff was lower down, and for the colleges where the fee increment didn't happen, the cutoff went high. It's as around 600 plus marks for those colleges where fee was not incremented. And we are going to end this video with good news for the candidates who were looking for, or who had done the choice filling, because the choice filling is going on for all India and deemed colleges. So 3 new entries is marked, and in terms of 3 colleges: Datta Meghe Nagpur, Manipal Tata Jharkhand, and Bharat Medical College Chennai. So totally 360 seats are going to be incremented, and that is good news, and it will definitely make an impact on the cutoff for round 2. So the candidates will getting benefited by adding up these 3 colleges as fresh in entry. Datta Meghe and Manipal Tata were rejected in the first round, and they didn't make entry, but they are back in round 2. So that's very good news. If you have any kind of questions related to Kerala cutoff, or how you want to go ahead with the Kerala state, what maybe the cutoff in round 2, or you want to know more about deemed universities or any other counseling process, you can call us to the number given on the screen or in the description. Our counselor will connect with you, and they will solve your queries. And we also provide paid services. Under the paid services, we help you out from starting to end in order to get you a best possible result from the counseling process, because everything happening in medical admission process is through counseling only. There is nothing like direct admission. I had created videos already on this topic, so you don't get caught by the fraud calls and all, because you might be receiving messages and calls from some unknown person. But you can trust a person who is coming live and all in YouTube channel, because they show their face, and you can trust them. because they are providing so information at free of cost. But if you want a deeper level of counseling guidance, you can go ahead with our paid services. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any question, put your questions in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.